Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to Echo of Tech. Today we are going to learn on how to clone a repository from GitHub with just a very simple steps. Whether you are collaborating on a project or just exploring open source code, cloning a repo is a must skill to know. So let's dive in. But first of all, before you clone a project, you will have to have the GitHub on your laptop or and also you must have opened the GitHub account. Okay, let's quickly dive in. Okay, so this is my GitHub account. I'm going to clone this repo. I'm going to clone this to-do list repo. But before cloning this repo, please try to open a new folder on your desktop. You're opening, you're saving it on your desktop, on your documents, on your download. So anyone is okay. But I'm choosing this download because I'm more comfortable with it. So let's right click and open a new folder. Let's name this folder. Okay, update cloning. Okay, so after that you click on enter. So whatever we are trying to clone, we're going to clone it inside this update cloning, right? So let's do it right away. Okay, so you go to the repo you want to clone on your GitHub. So this code here, you see a code and a drop down. Click on the drop down, then copy this URL in this place, like under this HTTPX. Copy the URL. Okay, I'm minimizing this guy. Then on this new folder you opened, right? Then right click, then open Git Bash here, like open with Git Bash. Remember, you must have downloaded this Git on your laptop before you do this. So click on open with Git Bash. Then type this on your terminal. So git clone space quotation. Then you paste what you copied, right? Paste what you copied from your URL, from your repo. That this is what I'm copying, like what I copied. So that's all what I pasted here. Then you close the quotation, then click on enter and watch the magic happen. Remember, you must be connected with your network. If not, this is not going to work. It's not going to work. So you have to be connected with a network in order to do this. So you see done here, like you see done. So you minimize it and click on it. So this is it, to-do list project. So this is what I cloned for my repo, right? This was what I cloned for my repo. So that is really how to clone a project from a repo. So if you are the type that's really interested in tech, in programming, in tech, anything with tech, not just programming, I deal with all sorts of tech. I would advise you to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.